I'll set the starting, yeah.
Good evening, everyone. It's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages. Mortgages made easy, on location here in lovely Brisbane. So it's a bit of out of sync mortgage and interest rate update. I'll be travelling tomorrow, so I thought I'll get in early. And even though I'm away on holiday, I've taken a lot of phone calls with some of the banks changing their interest rates, and I'm holding here. So these are the highest interest rates that you'll probably find out there. So if you've got a mortgage coming up for renewal, it's best to get some advice, and if you can get rates better than this, grab them. So I'll share with you the 1 year fixed rate, 7.25. So we were used to seeing that at about 6.99, 7.05. That's a big jump, 6.25. 18 months, 6.95. So again, that should be around 6.75. 2 years, I haven't really paid much attention on the 2 years, 6.79. 3, 4, 5 years, I'll read them out. 6.49, 6.39, 6.29. So we thought rates had stopped rising, but they are slowly, they've crept back up. And that's a factor with the swap rates, because the banks do borrow some money overseas. Now here in Australia, it was big news yesterday because their Reserve Bank didn't put up their OCR. So that was good news for them. But around the rest of the world, Reserve Banks are still fighting inflation. So New Zealand is quite ahead of the game when it comes to inflation, but our banks still get some of their money from overseas. So that's why you're going to see a bit of inconsistency with no increase in our OCR, but rates will still fluctuate up and down a little bit. So hopefully these rates come down soon, and hopefully the other banks don't go there. Floating rate, horrible rate, 8.64. So again, if you've got a loan that's coming up for renewal, now's definitely the time to speak to your advisor, get some advice. A lot of people are wanting to fix for 1 year, but you know, you've got to think of the options. You know, rates may not be low in a year's time. A lot of people I'm dealing with actually favouring the 18-month, but it pays to get advice, speak to an expert. So that's the important thing that you do there. In terms of bank lending, so the rules are pretty much the same. There's been no change there. The banks are, I'm finding, willing to do deals because it is harder for them to get market share. So anything they can do, they are looking to do what they call workshop deals so they can make it work. So that's good news. Listings, and I touched it on this video that I did last time. Listings are low because it's school holiday time. People are away. It's the middle of winter. It's the traditional time when people are away. So don't worry. For those of you that are panicking, thinking, oh my gosh, we've missed the bottom of the market, you know, where the houses, oh no, we've made a mistake. Don't panic. I'm here to tell you listings will increase. Stay the course, stick to your plan of what you want in a property, and you'll get there. Anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off from Queensland, so I've got to go watch the big State of O footy. And thank you to my cameraman, Chris, tonight. Done an amazing job there. And I'll be live with another video when we're back home. In the meantime, press that like button, press that share. God bless you all. Have a good evening. Thanks, guys.